All right, Allie. Well, do you know what this animal is?
I can't remember.
That's okay. We will work on it.
Okay.
So, what group does this animal belong in?
The farm animal.
Yeah, it is a farm animal. Great job. And what do you use this animal for?
You can ride it, and it could pull
Mm-hmm.
things.
Great. What does this animal do?
It can run or gallop.
Yeah, great word. Now, if I were unable to see this animal, what does it look like?
Well, it has hooves,
Mm-hmm.
has a tail, and a mane.
Yes, great job. Where would you find this animal?
Could find it on a farm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. And what does this animal remind you of?
Well, I love this movie called Black Beauty, the classic movie. Oh, it's a horse. The movie's about a horse.
Great job, Allie. Nice. This is a horse.
Yeah.
Great job.
Thanks.